go. Can we get the same lap time? Can we even improve? Is the shifter even gonna work? So many questions. It's really hard to press. You can't really press it just with one finger. It's just way too hard. And this is gonna fix this wheel. Now let's go test drive. So the 103.4 is what I can do if I put my best lap together. Let's see. Didn't put much fuel in. And we're gonna need one warm-up lap for sure, maybe two. Just can't get a lap in. Man. Well, we don't have enough fuel to go for another lap. Yeah, that's a better lap. But still. No. But okay, we take that for now. Now we change the wheel. Therefore we must also adjust the wheel rotation to 900. Alright, everything else stays the same. Ta-da! That's the Formula V2. Very nice wheel, I love it. Also has a mechanical quick release. I could just see, I can just pop it in and out like I want. But now, I'm so excited, let's see. If the magnetic shifter mod actually, yeah, that's what it says. Improve my lap time. Okay, let's put it in. And this. Let's go. Can we get the same lap time? Can we even improve? Is the shifter even gonna work? So many questions. Not the best lap, but I'm sure we're gonna improve. Yes, almost the same lap time. Almost the same lap time. Oh, I was too late. So half a tenth slower than with the Formula V2, and I only have 2 laps in. So yeah, this lap is not going to be fast, I reckon, but if we can put one good lap together, I think we're going to be faster with this wheel. Yeah, also this corner is so much easier to get the wheel rotation. Yeah, drifting is also much easier with the Podium 300. Yo, I forgot a few things. Now, after reviewing, I'm currently already editing the video. Hopefully I can bring it out to you very soon. But after reviewing some of the footage from the racing, you can see it here in the background as well, from the practicing. And also today I did a couple more races practicing with the new wheel and the new shifter mod. I can say now the following. The magnetic shifter mod, it's not going to make you faster over one lap. So if you somehow manage to get it right with these clumsy stock shifters, you can get the same lap time out of it. However, I've been missing shifts quite a lot with these. Yeah, I'm not quite sure how. Maybe it's just because they are too hard to press. Also, if you're doing a race or maybe even two, I don't know, a race half an hour, your hands will get sore, you will lose some strength and you will miss even more shifts. So that's the one thing I can say. Also, I've been testing the magnetic shifter mod against my Formula V2 wheel. So I was hoping for the Mazda that with this wheel and the magnetic shifter mod, I would be faster with the Mazda, since that's the right wheel to use and not a Formula V2 wheel. However, I gotta say, initially I was struggling quite a lot to get the same pace like I had with the Formula V2. Of course, this is due to me not being used to the bigger wheel and stuff. And this will be another video comparing the R300 Podium wheel compared to the Formula V2. This will be another video, but yeah, anyways. So I was comparing those shifters like the magnetic shifter mod against the magnetic shifter which is on the Formula V2. You can see here it's metal and here it's plastic, so quite a difference in terms of production value and stuff. But overall I can say now I'm confident after a few more races and practicing. The magnetic shifter mod, even though it's plastic, it's just as fast. I can be just as fast like with the Formula V2 magnetic shifter, even though this is much higher quality, and I would always prefer this one. Also, the feedback on this one, it's even easier to press these compared to these ones. Compared to the Formula V2, this shifter mod still feels quite stiff. But of course, this wheel costs much more. I don't know what it costs, but 400 euros at least. And this wheel now 250 euros. You get what you pay for, but it does the job as my secondary wheel and I can have some fun in the Mazda. So yeah, the magnetic shifter mod, it's awesome. It's not gonna make you faster over one lap, but over the course of a race or even a few races, you will be faster with the magnetic shifter. So yeah, glad that this is out of the way. Hopefully Fanatec will never ever do such a worse shifter again. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to get myself a 3D printer to be able to remove those errors. Let's put that wheel safe. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found this informative in any way. Hopefully it will save you a little bit of money if you're thinking, oh, I want a secondary wheel as well, but you don't want to pay like 400, 500, 600 euros for a new wheel with a decent shifter. Then you can get away getting the CSL Universal Hub, even though it's cheap and it has its flaws. But yeah, with the magnetic shifter mod, you can get rid of them and you can have still a really good experience. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel to see plenty more sim racing content and also some sim racing product reviews. That's it for now. Wish you a good day. And as always, I'll catch you for the next video very soon. Bye for now. Yeah, drifting is also much easier.